Take advantage of things, Paul.
Well, we'll hope the pictures help and catch them. Let's take a look at what's happening out there as Michael departs. It's still a post-tropical cyclone. It means it's been caught up with a cold front. That's what's bringing us the refreshing air this morning, moving farther and farther up the eastern seaboard. The center of circulation here is offshore. Still plenty of rain making its way through New York, Boston, Hartford, all those large cities in the northeastern U.S. Maybe some travel delays this morning, so make sure you check ahead before you head up to the airport if you are going to be traveling for the weekend. A couple of the systems out there. We have Hurricane Leslie, which has been out there for couple of weeks, just wandering around like a college student on a Saturday night. Now it's heading to the east, which is weird. This is Portugal and Spain, and that's where that storm is going. It may turn around and head back out in the Atlantic Ocean, which is just bizarre. Tropical Storm Nadine behaving a bit more traditionally. It's going to kind of fall apart. Looks pretty impressive this morning, but over the weekend it is expected to largely just dissolve as it encounters some harsher conditions as it tries to move farther west. Looking outside this morning, nice calm conditions across central North Carolina. Just dark and early Chapel Hill, 54 degrees at Keenan Memorial Stadium. On campus at NC State, dark conditions overhead. The temperature stands at 57 degrees in the Triangle officially in both Raleigh and Durham. 52 in Roxborough is the cool spot. 62 is the warm location in Goldsboro. Whole lot better compared to yesterday morning, but still a little above average. Normal low temperature. We have not been close to a normal low temperature since late August. Those normal lows are in the low 50s this time of year. So really, Roxbury, you're the only spot that's close to that at the moment. We'll be much closer to those normal readings as we head into the weekend. For today, still in the mid to upper 50s by 8 o'clock. Lots of sunshine, just pleasant conditions. Mid 60s by noon. A few fair weather clouds streaming in from the west and northwest. No big deal there. No rain in the forecast. Upper 60s for highs this afternoon, just short of 70 degrees. Starting to cool off by 6 o'clock this evening. And if you're heading out to the fair, high school football games this evening, bring a sweatshirt, a light jacket, something like that, because temperatures will fall into the 50s not too far after the sun goes down this evening. Low 70s as you head farther south towards Fayetteville, the Sandhills, and the southern coastal plain, with upper 60s the farther north you go along the coastal plain. There's upper 60s for the Triangle and southern Virginia, slightly below average for a change for this time of year. And that's a trend that's going to carry us into the weekend. Temperatures tomorrow, just a degree or so cooler. Almost chilly start Sunday morning. Not going to get too carried away. It's only a couple degrees below normal. But upper 40s, that's the first time since the beginning of May. May 1st is the last time we had a low temperature in the upper 40s in the Triangle. We'll warm up for a day on Monday, then a chance of scattered showers, maybe a couple rumbles on Tuesday. I'm not worried about that at this point.
All right, picture perfect weather for cleanup today.
Yes.
It's always nice when the storms move out and then we have nice dry weather behind it.
You got a lot of icons on the map though left over from yesterday.
I do. There are a lot of